What's up, everyone? So we're here with another little work on the ATV. We're changing the seals for the shifter, not the shifter, the pull start, and because it was leaking oil a little bit, but now we got the new seals for it, new gaskets. So we got to take off the crank assembly, at least cap of it, and just replace it. Should be a pretty easy job. We already loosened the bolts. He's draining oil out. It was leaking right inside of here because this gasket is shot. So we just got a whole new gasket for all the way around, new gasket for in here, and a little O-ring that was needed. Not much today because we're still waiting on parts to come in. The brakes and stuff are taking forever to come in.
This is important.
But taking off the oil plug there, draining a little bit more. Let's get all the oil out. Put the brand new oil. We're doing all new fluids in it too, so it should run good. Got a new air filter because this thing is disintegrating, but it's gross.
I'm gonna rag it.
You want your rag? But yeah, that's what we're doing today. So I'll get you a little video of inside of it once you take it off. And easy to take off. It was just these bolts right here once they're leaking oil. So once it's all disassembled, we'll get in there. All right, so here's the open crank assembly. Pretty clean in there, actually.
It is really clean. You gotta keep it clean too.
Yeah.
All that dust and stuff trying to go in there.
But here's the gasket. I'm gonna get this gasket off.
Yeah, clean the face off and put the new one on.
And change the seal that was in there. And then we should be good. No more oil leak.
I don't know where the O-ring is. I think it's in there.
Disintegrated?
Well, you might not need it. I said to get it because it looked like it was part of that whole thing.
Yeah.
So you might not even need it though. So we gotta just look at the manual to see where it is exactly. If it's in front of this bolt, if it goes like right here,
then yeah, we definitely need it, but
it could have, because that gasket looked wore out.
Yeah, so it could have not, yeah, it could have fallen out, or like you said, huh? But yeah, we'll get that changed in. We'll show you how we're gonna clean it off and everything like that. And... All right, so we got this little gasket out, the destroyed one. Just hammered it out with a mallet and a socket. We don't have the special cool tool, but a 13/16 socket will work to hammer it out. And we're gonna put the new one in. Should be pretty simple, just hammer in.
Same way.
Maybe it'll just push in.
Yeah. You don't have the hammer on it.
Just confirm it with that.
That's too big.
Yeah.
Or too small.
I get a little bit bigger one now because this one was missing stuff, so this one has all the nice stuff in it still.
This one will fit on there.
Press.
Yeah. Just enough to get it in.
Yeah. And that should be it.
Almost there. A little bit more of a length.
A little bit more hammering.
Yeah.
Nice. Simple as that to change the leak there. And then, like I said, we have the new gasket for the other side. And get it right back together. And then now to take this gasket off, we're just gonna be a little tedious, but take the razor off to make sure it's nice and clean. The new one sits nice. The razor's obviously not gonna hurt the metal. I'm just gonna get the shitty gasket off.
If it does.
If it does.
It's probably been on there so long. It's been on there originally.
Oh yeah, it's an original gasket, so it's 16 years old now. And it's just breaking off in pieces.
Yeah, try to get all that.
Yeah.
Majority of it with that.
I'll have to scrape the rest of it or figure out something. Alright, so we have most of it off now, and then we got this little grinder to take off the rest of it. That should make it nice and clean. What is that? Yeah, but here we are just grinding this. Got it all nice and clean and scuffed up so the gasket will sit nicely on it. And we'll get it back together. So thanks for watching today, guys. That was just a short video. I'm gonna have a lot more once the parts come in. I got the brakes and the intake and all kinds of stuff like that. So it'll actually be like a first drive, probably next video and everything like that. So like, subscribe, please share, Have a great day.